Good morning students. Welcome to our maths class. Today we'll be starting the new chapter, that is chapter number 6, fractions. What are fractions? Students, in class 4th also you have studied about fractions. So let us revise it. What are fractions? A fraction is a part of a whole. If a whole thing is divided into equal parts, each part is fraction. A fraction is made up of two parts, numerator and denominator. So fraction, it is made of two parts. One, it is called as the numerator, and the other one, it is called as denominator. Now what are numerator and denominator? Suppose if I write a number as 1/4, so it is a fraction. This number that is present on the upward side, it is known as the numerator, and the number which is present down, it is called as the denominator. Now with the help of an example, let us study what is a fraction. Suppose this is a pizza. Pizza, it is round. Everyone knows it. I am dividing this pizza into the 4 equal parts. I have divided it into the 4 equal parts. This is a pizza. I have divided it into the 4 equal parts, and I had eaten this part. How many parts are there total? 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, if I ask you how much of this I have eaten, then what you will be saying? Total parts are 4. So 4 you will be writing down. And how much part I have eaten? I have eaten this part, 1. So I will be writing it as 1/4. So I can say that the numerator, this is the numerator. So the numerator tell us how many of the equal parts have been taken. How many of these equal parts have been taken, that the numerator tells us. And what the denominator tells us? The denominator tells us how many equal parts are there in a whole. Here in a whole, how many equal parts are there? 4. Of this 4, I have taken 1 part. So I will be writing it as 1/4. Now we will be studying types of fraction. We will be studying different types of fraction. Types of fraction. So what is the first type of the fraction? It is the proper fraction. The first, it is called as the proper fraction. So what is a proper fraction? The fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator are called proper fraction. For example, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. This all, they are the example of the proper fraction, because in this the numerator, it is less than the denominator. So this all, they are the proper fraction. Some more example like 16/20. Here also the numerator, it is less than the denominator. 120/200. Here also the numerator, it is less than the denominator. So this all, they are the examples of the proper fraction. The next, the second one, The second type of the fraction that we'll be studying will be the improper fraction. It is the improper fraction. What are improper fraction? The fractions in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator are called improper fraction. Let us take some example like 6 by 6 or 7 by 6 or 8 by 6 or 18 by 15. This all are the examples of the improper fraction. In improper fraction, either both the numerator or denominator are equal or the numerator is greater than the denominator. Here also you can see that the numerator, it is greater than the denominator. Now next are the mixed number. The third one is the mixed number. So what are the mixed numbers? The third is the mixed numbers. So let us study what are the mixed numbers. A mixed number has a whole number except 0 mixed with a fraction. For example, 2 1 by 2, 3 1 by 4, 6 1 by 3. Why it is a mixed number? Because in this the 1, this is the whole number, 2, 3, 6 whole number is there, and here fraction is also there. So this all are the example of the mixed numbers. The next will be doing, that will be the equivalent fractions. What are the equivalent fraction? That is the fourth one. The fourth one, it is the equivalent fractions. Equivalent fractions. What are equivalent fraction? Fractions that name the same part of a whole are called equivalent fraction. So we can say that 1 by 3, 2 by 6 and 3 by 9. This all are equivalent fractions. We can also write it as 1 by 3 equals to 2 by 6 equals to 3 by 9. So this is the equivalent fraction. So in today's class we'll be doing only the definitions, what is the fractions, and we have done the types of fraction only. So that's all for today's class. Just revise all the definitions, learn the definitions. Thank you.